Plastic Model Builders. Hello, I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder, and this is the Revell 1/48 scale P51D Mustang. Let's open this box. We're going to see what is inside of this monster. I have done this model before, so we'll see what it has. Of course, you've got this thing that goes right across the top of the box, keeps all the parts safe. Revell does this, not many other companies do. Got one big bag right here. Inside, first off, I could see we have panel lines, a little bit of detail on the bottom side, underside for the engine if you want to do some modifications to this right here, depending on how the kit is assembled. Got your bombs, drop tanks, fuel tanks, wheels, instrument panels. Not a lot of detail as I can see, and you also have your pilot. Do have your guns on this side. Your wings have a little bit of detail underneath the side for where the wheels go. And of course, more wings. You have your seat right here, your stabilizers, and of course, the bottom of the cockpit is right here is where your floor is. Then you got your instructions. Right here. Lovely book. 8 pages, 9 steps. Decal placement, paint scheme. All that good stuff. You know how this goes. Fairly easy model. Common decal guide. And of course, decals. This is a very popular model. Right here, the version being done. I see it all the time. Thank you for watching. We look forward to building this. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Of course, until next time, as always, see ya.